This is the BESTVA 4000 DC series. Notice there was no unboxing video on YouTube for this light. The BESTVA DC series, the 4000w. Not one video on YouTube about this light. The pamphlet with all the information on it. The yada yada Samsung LM301B LEDs. She runs 450 watts. She's good for 100,000 hours. PPFD from 18 inches away is 2200. From 12 inches away, 3000. And from 6 inches away, 3800. Right here you got your hangers, your plug-in, another hanger, and sunglasses. And now, all that over there, this is the hanger. This is what it looks like now that the anchors are on, and we're gonna come out of the box. And as you can see, she is a long beast. I got a hanger pre-installed already. Excuse me for a second. This is the light being hung up so that I can test it and turn on the power. Unplug this. Go. Now, this is the plug-in. And we're gonna give her some juice. Now, first light being tested is the veg. And we're gonna go to the bloom. And now we're gonna go to full power. And just listen at how quiet this light is. The fans are quiet as hell. And as you can see from the sticker, it's a 4000 watt, equivalent to 2800 HPS. Runs 450 true watts. The older version runs 615. And I can't believe nobody's made a review about this light on YouTube, because this light grows massive buds and does a really good job. This is my third BESTVA 4000 DC series. I have the old version and two new versions. Yeah, this is the review for the BESTVA 4000.